What if one of Honda's most iconic dirt bikes came back in 2026? Lighter, sharper, and built for a new generation of riders. The 2026 Honda MR175 Elsinore is creating excitement among off-road fans who still remember the legendary Elsinore name. But does this modern version really live up to the legacy? Let's find out. A legendary name with modern energy, the Honda Elsinore name is not just another badge in motorcycle history. It represents lightweight performance, aggressive off-road riding, and a machine built to win. The 2026 Honda MR175 Elsinore brings that old-school spirit into a modern package. From the first look, this bike keeps the classic dirt bike attitude but adds a cleaner, more aggressive design. Slim body panels, motocross styling, and a race-inspired stance give it a serious off-road appearance. Engine and performance. The heart of the 2026 Honda MR175 Elsinore is expected to focus on lightweight power and responsive performance. Riders want quick throttle response, strong low-end torque, and smooth acceleration through dirt trails, open tracks, and rough terrain. Honda's reputation for reliability plays a big role here. A bike like this is not only about speed. It is about control, balance, and confidence when the trail gets challenging. Whether you are climbing hills, attacking corners, or riding through loose dirt, a lightweight machine can make a huge difference. That is exactly where the MR175 Elsinore aims to shine. Handling and riding experience. One thing experienced riders know very well: power means nothing without handling. The 2026 MR175 Elsinore is designed to feel agile, nimble, and easy to control. A strong suspension setup, comfortable ergonomics, and balanced weight distribution can help riders stay confident on different terrains. From weekend trail riders to off-road enthusiasts, this bike could offer a fun and connected riding experience. It is the kind of motorcycle that encourages riders to push harder while still feeling predictable and manageable. Styling and features. Honda appears to blend retro inspiration with modern details. Classic Elsinore DNA meets updated technology and improved rider comfort. Expect modern touches like improved suspension tuning, better braking performance, durable components, and rider-focused engineering. It is a bike that respects its roots but understands today's rider expectations. Final thoughts. The 2026 Honda MR175 Elsinore is more than just a motorcycle name. It represents nostalgia, performance, and the excitement of off-road freedom. If Honda truly brings this machine to life, it could attract both longtime fans and younger riders looking for a lightweight dirt bike with real personality. Sometimes, the best motorcycles are not the biggest or most powerful. They are the ones that make every ride feel exciting. This video is based on available discussions, expectations, industry trends, and unofficial information about the 2026 Honda MR175 Elsinore. Final specifications, features, pricing, and availability may differ if an official model is announced by Honda.